Hey guys, it's your boy Kevin, and today we're gonna be playing some Call of Duty. So, I'm gonna be going upstairs to my room. We're gonna be playing Call of Duty Infinite Warfare on the Xbox One, white color. Comment down below if you want me to get a PS4. I prefer Xbox One just because it's better. It's usefuler. I gotta say, Xbox One is better. So, oh yeah, I have to fix my fidget spinner when it comes apart sometimes. Give out a shout out to Maddie Strauss. I gotta get out. Call of Duty Goose, and we're gonna be playing live. So just to let you know, we'll be playing live on Call of Duty. Comment if you see your gamer tag, just comment down below. I'm not gonna see that good. I guess you can, right? Let me find a place that would be probably. Is that good? So. Okay, y'all see it? I'm over here. I'm gonna be over here. You're not gonna see me in the video, but you'll see Call of Duty. So, let's get to it. Hey. But actually, let me restart this.